Hi learners, it's so good to see you. I hope you had a wonderful Easter. You probably, like my family does, probably have some plastic eggs like these around your house. And if you do, I have a few ideas of things that you can do with them to have some fun. So you might need a permanent marker because we're going to write on these eggs, and make sure the grown-up knows you're going to do this too, because permanent markers, they're permanent, so you can't just erase them. So we have to be real careful with these. A grown-up could help you, or you could write yourself. If you have the word family lists that I passed out to families, those would be really helpful for this, but you can always think with your own brain too, because you are rhyming machines. So the first idea is a word family egg. Now the egg has two parts, the big tall side and the little short squatty side. The big tall side is where you're going to put the ending chunk of your word family. So this is the at family. So I wrote A-T. The small side is where you'll write the beginning sounds. And you want these to be real words, not nonsense words, but if they're nonsense words, you can still practice reading them, and that would just be super silly anyway. So what you do is you put the egg together, and the beginning sound, the beginning letter is on the small side, and you add it to the ending chunk. So we have k, at, cat. I can turn my egg. Now I have b, at, bat. At, mat. Do you see how that works? So you can do this for the at family, the am family, the ig family, the it family. You can make all sorts of word family eggs, and that's a fun way to practice reading. I have another little math idea for you. If you take an egg and on the big side you put the tens place, and on the little side you put the ones, we can read the numbers. So this would be 1, 4, 1 group of 10 and 4 little ones. Our number is 14. Or you can mix them up and then have some new numbers. So I have 6 and 3. When I put those side by side, 6 groups of 10 and 3 little ones, my number is 63. It can help you practice reading your numbers that are 2-digit numbers. So that's another thing that you can do with your eggs. And then a third idea is a super fun one. This is going to take maybe some super glue or definitely a hot glue gun, and so this will take an adult to help. You can try and do this with regular Elmer's glue, but it's going to sit for a long, long time. So if you're really patient and you can wait a long time for the glue to dry, that will work. If you have an old CD, it has to be an old one, not a movie that your family still watches, and you have an egg, you can put the tall part of the egg on top, right in the middle, and you can put the little squatty part of the egg on the bottom of that CD and glue them down, and then you can spin it like a top. So that's a fun STEM activity that you can do. You have to have it right in the middle so it's balanced. In the same way when you spin your body, you want to be all balanced and not side to side. You want that egg to be balanced right in the middle so that it's the same weight on both sides of the CD. So those are some fun things you can do with plastic eggs that you have at your house. I hope you have some fun things to do with them. If you come up with some that I haven't thought of, will you send me pictures or tell me what you've done? Because I love using these plastic eggs in lots of fun ways. There are so many things to do with them. All right, I'm missing you today. Hope you're having a great day. Macy wants to say hello too. Happy Easter. Have a fun day. Bye.